Hello everybody, it's me again, Matteo, and I welcome you here in my little RC garage to the second video of my Axial SCX10 III build series. The front and rear axle is finished and the next work is assembling the dampers. Step B1 is the complete build of all 4 dampers. Every step we have to do 4 times. As first, I prepare the damper pistons by installing the disc on the shaft. Be careful not to flip off the clips. Then, I add a drop of oil on the bottom of the cylinder and insert the rubber O-rings and the plastic washer. And now I can screw on the bottom cylinder cap. As next, I can insert the piston into the damper cylinder and screw on the ball connector. Be sure to not damage the rod by using a towel with your pliers or using a side cutter at the end of the thread. And a ball have to be inserted to the ball connector. On the top of the cylinder, a rubber O-ring have to be used with the top cap. I turn the cap for 2 or 3 turns and then remove it again. Now the O-ring sits on the right position. Now oil have to be filled into the cylinder. I fill in slowly and then move the piston slowly up and down to remove any air bubbles in the oil. After this, I can close the cylinder cap. On the cylinder cap is a small screw to close it completely. The pictures in the manual shows the piston completely down when closing the top cap. But because of this, now we have too much oil in the damper and the piston is not fully movable. So I remove again this small screw and then move the piston slowly upwards. The excess oil flows out, and when the piston is on its fully raised position, I close the small screw again. And now the piston is fully movable. This looks good now. Another ball head have to be pressed on to the ball connector on the cylinder cap. Now I can install the spring and the spring holder. And the spring holder is secured by a small screw. And here you can see all 4 dampers are finished. There are 2 different springs. One is a bit harder, the green one, and a bit softer red one. And these dampers works fine and smooth. I hope they will not leaking too much oil. So this is it for now. Stay tuned to see the next steps. Next is assembling the gearbox. Subscribe to my channel you haven't already, and please give me a thumbs up for this video. Thanks for watching and see you soon.